hydraulic press kitchen. Summer is coming and everybody wants to have some tasty, healthy and cool treat on the summer mornings. So I am going to show how you can make this wonderful smoothie with hydraulic press. First ingredient is liquid nitrogen. You just pour it straight to the pot. Right, like this. Yeah. Then we put our healthy fruits in the pot. Yeah. Yeah, and the grapes. Yeah. Then we wait for a minute them to cool. And when the excess nitrogen is boiled out and the blast seal is closed, you can press the fruits to make the smoothie. But right now you are probably thinking that I cannot eat that because it's too cold, and it's true. But don't worry, I have the solution for this problem. Yeah, now it's just right temperature for eating. And now our smoothie is ready. As you see, it has nice crunchy top side and very delicious and healthy inside. Now the only thing left is to taste our cookings. It's a bit hard still, but there is... Tastes very good. Yeah, I think this is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content, we have this extremely venomous and dangerous jellyfish. And it may attack at any time, so we must deal with it.